Welcome to our beginner's guide to knitting. Today we'll show you how to make a beautiful scarf step by step. First, gather your materials: yarn, knitting needles, and a pair of scissors. Choose yarn that feels soft and needles that are comfortable to hold. The type of yarn you select can greatly affect the outcome of your project, so take your time to pick one that suits your needs. There are various types of yarn available, from wool to cotton to synthetic blends, each offering different textures and finishes. Similarly, knitting needles come in different sizes and materials, such as bamboo, metal, or plastic. Bamboo needles are lightweight and warm to the touch, making them a popular choice for beginners. Metal needles, on the other hand, are more durable and allow for faster knitting. Scissors should be sharp enough to cut through yarn cleanly. Start by making a slip knot. Then we'll show you how to cast on stitches. This is the foundation of your scarf. Now, let's learn the knit stitch. This is one of the most fundamental techniques in knitting and a great place to start for beginners. First, take your knitting needle and insert it into the first stitch on your left-hand needle. Make sure the needle goes from front to back. Next, wrap the yarn around the right-hand needle, moving it counterclockwise. This step is crucial as it forms the new stitch. Now, gently pull the right-hand needle through the loop, bringing the yarn with it. You've just created a knit stitch. Repeat this process for each stitch across the row. With practice, you'll find your rhythm and soon be knitting with ease. Easy, right? Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Continue knitting each row, making sure to keep your tension even. This will give your scarf a uniform look. When your scarf reaches the desired length, it's time to bind off. This secures your stitches and finishes the edge neatly. Trim the excess yarn and weave in the loose ends. And there you have it, a beautiful hand-knit scarf. Congratulations! You've just knitted your first scarf. Keep practicing and soon you'll be making scarves for all your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun DIY projects. We have a lot of exciting content planned for you, from knitting and crocheting to painting and home decor. Happy knitting! We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. And remember, your support helps us bring you more creative tutorials. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos, tips, and tricks. Plus, you'll be joining a community of like-minded crafters who love to share their passion for DIY. So, hit that bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create. Keep crafting and stay inspired.